Currency trading strategy. Currency trading, although is a risky business, but if we follow some strategy, some good strategy, this could be a great experience, great profession. Okay, for currency trading strategy, this session, in this video, I will show you. I will use no indicator, without an indicator. Simple candlestick chart. Here, what we need nothing. We need some common sense. Our core strategy is we will find some candle which has a long wick but a small body. Like if I got a body like this shape, then we need a wick like this shape. That means at least wick should be 1:3 than the body. The wick's size would be 3 times than the body size. This is what we need. If we need these types of pin bar, some traders call it pin bar, some traders call it exhaustion bar, some traders call it rejection bar, whatever you can say it. If we find these types of rejection bar at the end of the trend, like the trend is in downtrend, after downtrend we find a rejection bar at our horizontal support line, then we will place a buy setup at the break of the high of the rejection bars candle. At the same time, if we find a uptrend, after uptrend, if we find any rejection candle, then we will do a sell at our resistance zone, sell at the break of the low of the rejection candles. So I'll show you practically how we can use this method, this simple method, in our day-to-day trading style. And although this strategy is applicable to any pairs, but I will suggest you to trade this on only trendy pair, like USD pairs, like JPY pairs. This pairs is better, and 1 hour is best time frame, but you can also use this on some other time frames also. Okay, let's begin. This is Euro JPY chart, Euro against Japanese yen, and this is 1 hour chart because this strategy works well on 1 hour chart. So let me zoom the chart. Okay, I'm going to from right to left. For this strategy, we need a candle that has wick, little body, big wick. So here we got this candle. This is our candle. This is our candle. So let me change the property. So no, the property, which one is best? No. Okay, let me delete it. This is the candle. So what we are going to do, we will place a buy trade here at the break of this candle, and we will place a sell trade at the break of this candle. So if we place a buy trade, then we will place a stop loss here. So from here to here, 26 pip risk. So if we calculate, then 26 into 3, 78 pips. If we take 1:3, we can place 78 pips is here. So we can place our take profit here, and how beautifully it hit our take profit. It didn't hit our stop loss. We will find now another example how we can trade with this simple method. What we need a big wick with big tail with a small body, and we will find we can trade this candle also, although the body is not so small, but yet we can place a trade here. If we place a sell stop here and we'll place a buy stop here, so it didn't touch our buy stop but it touched our sell stop here. So if we took this trade, it would only 32 pips risk, and we could get 74 pips, more than 74 pips. The price broke down at the downside like a storm, so we could get more than 1:10 risk reward if we took this trade. Now we'll search some. Here is a wick, although the wick is not so tall, but if we can take this trade, like here we will place buy stop and sell stop here. So if we took this trade, the risk were only 24 pips, and here more than 105 pips reward we could get if we took this trade. Again we got a okay, let me delete all the object. If we took this trade, like here, if we buy here, buy stop here and sell stop here, then it didn't touch our sell stop, even didn't touch our buy stops stop loss. It touched our buy stop trade, and we could get almost like more than 60 pips. So if we took this trade, again it goes in profit. Here is another example. If we took this trade, we could got some nice profit. So here all the in our chart, link chart, we could get many example like this. There is example, here is example. So there is no lackings of such types of example, that if we could get just a long tail and a small body candle, just place our sell stop here, buy stop here, we could get a good amount of profit like this way, like this. And here is another example. So if we just took these trades, we could get handsome amount of money. If you have any queries, if you have any questions, you can ask me at comment section, and if you have any suggestion, you can also give me suggestion at comment section. If you like the video, hit the like button. Okay, bye for today. Hope see you the next video.